I'm Eddie, this is Brittany, and this is the Beginner West Coast Swing Course. Okay, let's do a quick breakdown of the steps. We're going to start off with the basic step. Sometimes it's called a sugar push, sometimes it's called a push break. We're going to start with 2 walking steps to the backwards from the man's point of view, forward from the girl's point of view. The guy takes his second step pretty small, so we have step number 1, step number 2. From here, we have a triple step, stepping back to where we started on the last step of that triple. 3 and 4. And we have what's called an anchor step in place, 5 and 6. So that's your basic step. Second step is going to be a left side pass. The girl is passing on the guy's left side. The guy gets out of the way. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. What's happening here is as the guy is stepping backwards, he's going to move off of her track for 1. From here, he puts weight back to the right foot for 2, and she takes her normal 2 walking steps forward. From here, she's going to pivot over her left foot and do her triple step, 3, and driving back for 4, and then we have an anchor step in place. And she's actually going to repeat that footwork for the next couple of moves. So in the classes, we'll show you different things that you can do, but for the basic pattern, this is correct. The next thing we're going to do is an underarm turn. You'll see the girl's actually doing the same thing here. And the guy's getting out of her way. So he has a 1-2 moving off of her track, stepping back for 1, and then across for 2. Now from here, she's going to do the same footwork like I said before. He's going to pivot over his right foot, 3, and pushing forward for 4. And then we have another anchor step to wrap that up with. And you're going to see that again because the next move is going to be an underarm turn with a right side pass. And that starts the same way. Girl's footwork is the same again. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So the man's going to switch hands here. Is going to end up facing in this direction, 90-degree angle to the girl, kind of a extended L position. Now from here, the guy's going to turn his shoulders facing away, so he rocks forward, taking her for 2 walking steps forward also. Her footwork is going to be a little bit longer than on her normal left turn for her. So we're going to have 1, 2. He's got that rock step forward, anchor in place, just like he does on his other steps. And we'll do that one more time, that whole thing. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6 as you switch hands back at the end of that. And that is your beginning level West Coast swing.